Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 DIY glitter mixes. I got all these glitters, these containers, as well as these measuring spoons from Dollar Tree. You will also need some clear acrylic for the second glitter acrylic mix that I will be showing you guys. So all you want to do is measure out your glitters one by one, or you can pour them in. If you're going to be selling your DIY mixes, you may want to write down the measurements that you have used, but since I got these from Dollar Tree, I just later on in the video was scooping all the glitters out. But that's the good thing about making your own DIY glitters. No one else will be able to remake your glitter mix, and that will make you stand out as well if you are a nail tech. But you guys, I got all these glitters for $1. If you haven't seen my haul, I got all these for $1 at Dollar Tree. And these are non-toxic glitters. They were in the arts and crafts section, so they are totally safe to use on your nails, so you guys don't have to worry about that. Also guys, I partner with Homegrown Nails. If you guys haven't seen my last video of me swatching those acrylics, I will leave that in the cards and the description. But I have a promotion code for her, and she will be dropping new acrylics today if you guys are interested. And she restocks every Friday around 4 p.m. And about time this video goes up, you guys may be able to get you guys some acrylics, or if you guys just want to check out her page and stuff, I'll leave all that down below. And I'm going to let you guys continue watching until I have something else to say again. Okay guys, so I'm back. This clear powder here, I got it from my local nail supply store, and during the virus it's closed right now, but you can use any clear acrylic that you have. What you want to do is you want to pour enough to where it is covering the glitter once you mix it in, like how it is in the video. And you can also add more if you want, but if you're a new nail tech like myself, when applying glitter mixes, you want to make sure your brush is really wet so that you can move around the powder and have all the chunkier glitter pieces, have them be able to move around the nail that you are applying it to. I know I'm all over the place with this voiceover, but I will be having more DIY mixes for glitter and acrylic making coming up in the near future, as well as some more nail hauls, you guys. But this is how the DIY glitter mixes came out. And this is why I mentioned that you want to have your brush really wet, because the glitter can get stuck in one place, and if you're doing this on a client, you don't want that to happen. But this is the results, and thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one. Bye.